Hi friends, I am Lalit Vasist and you are watching Engineering Made Easy. Today I found an app that can be used as a building material estimator. The name of this app is Building Calculator. You can use this calculator for estimating the raw material required for the construction purpose and can be used by civil engineers, contractors and anyone who has planned to build his house, and also for maintenance purpose. You will see here that there are lots of calculators available here that will help you in planning your building. So let me show you them one by one. Here you see in this building calculator, this is the calculation of foundation plate, calculation of strip foundation, calculation of strip foundation with two sections, and various other things like concrete ring, weight of reinforcement by number. You see this list. This is very long list. Paint consumption, plaster consumption, front putty consumption, floor cement, screed consumption, poured floor consumption, plinth, volume, roofs, triangles. So if I go into any one of these, like let's say in concrete ring, let me show you how it works. Here is the concrete ring. You see it is diameter, D is the diameter of this ring and H is height, okay, and T is its thickness, okay. Now you can enter various things here like diameter, height and thickness. I will put these values. You can also change these units, like here meter, here meter is used for the diameter and height, and thickness is in centimeters. So let's put here some values like diameter, height and thickness. Let's say diameter is 6 and height is let's say 3, and its thickness is 8. It is in centimeter actually. Thickness is in centimeters. So 6, 3 and 8 are diameter, height and thickness. So it gives us the concrete volume. Its bore, that volume is 4.463 meter cube. This bore is 5840 mm. Interior volume, you can see all these things. Mass enforcement height is 3000 mm and various other things. Rough weight is 10,713 kilogram. So this is the calculations for this concrete ring, okay. So in this way you can see you can enter into any of this list, okay. Now let's come to this one. This is about pipe, okay, pipe profile GOST, like this. So it is pipe, corner, channel. You can see any of this. You can change the steel by length or by, it is by length or by weight, okay. You can also change it by weight or by length. These are for the steel or cast iron, aluminium, bronze. You can change the material, okay. So it is a very useful app for all the contractors, civil engineers and others. And what is this here? You see this list here: square, circle, wire, sheet, and here also this is about various shapes of surfaces, okay. You can enter any of these. It has various dimensions of like A, shown by A, B, C and D. You can enter these values. Let me enter the values of A, B, C and D here, okay. Let's say 3, okay, and B's value, let's say 5. Enter the value of C as 8 and for D 4, okay, done. Now you will see here that there is an option to delete and to select. I will select these values. So according to our values given A, B, C and D, okay, these values can be changed. Then it will give us the area and parameter. According to this, its area is this and parameter is 24.39 meters, and it is in meter square. Area is in meter square, okay. So this was about the surface calculations, and here we have a converter, unit converter, like centigrade to Fahrenheit, centimeter to inch, meter to foot, meter, yard, kilogram to pound, gram to pound. you see joule. Okay, so you can see any of these like meter to foot. Here you enter any value for meters. Let's say 3 meters is equivalent to, this is C is for cancelling and equal sign is for to calculate the value. So 3 meters is equals to 9.843 foot. Okay, similarly you can convert this foot into meter from this. So it is very simple. Here various unit calculators are given. You can also find a calculator in the top right corner here. This is a calculator. You can use it for calculation purpose, a simple calculator. And not only this, if you see the top left corner, then in this you will have a menu. And what is this menu all about? It is you can save these calculations, an option to save calculations. If you have performed some calculations, you can write your notes. Very good thing that add new note. Okay, you can type anything here. Okay, so it is again very important thing. You can save it or not save. I am pressing on not save. Okay, and other things like ruler. Ruler is very important. You see here it is very interesting and important. You can measure the length in this. Put the object. Okay, you can put your mobile phone, Android phone, along the length and width of the object, and you can slide this arm. Okay, you can also increase this length, and from this you can increase its width, or you can directly drag it from here and can increase all of these, both of these. Okay, so this is again very important. The units of this are in mm at this time. You can change these units. Here it is the option to change it to inches. If I change this to inches, then these units of this ruler has been changed to inches. Okay, you can change it. There is another version of this ruler. Here this is, you see, it is of this type, and another type of ruler can be by clicking on this in this. Okay, you can use whatever kind of ruler you want. Here you can slide it in 4 ways. In the previous case it was only 2 sides that we could change the length and width. Here we have 4 sides. We can vary these all 4 sides as per our requirement. We can decrease or increase the length and width. Okay, everything. Okay, so this option is also present here. And another few things about this app are like you can change settings. From this there is an option to change currency and language. Currency, various currencies are here. You can change it. The language option is here. You can use either phone language, English, or Russian language. What are other options? You can rate this, email the developer if you have anything to ask about this app or its uses, then you can email the developer. You can rate this app about this program. You can find it here. There are other apps related to this app available for download. Download the pro version. You can download the pro version. Various things like the ads will be removed, ad-free version, and some other added features will be available in that pro version. Capacity calculator, earthwork calculator, these are other applications of same kind. So I hope you liked the video and this app. You can find the link of this app in the description of this video. If you liked this app, then you can click on this link and can download this. Hope you like the video also and its functionality, how useful this app can be for builders and contractors, civil engineers, etc. So please use this app, download it from the link and enjoy. Keep watching Engineering Made Easy and see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe this channel Engineering Made Easy for more such videos and like and share the video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Friends, for more such videos you can subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy, and please don't forget to like and share the video if you liked it. For more detailed information you can visit my blog. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.